I have an Adobe InDesign tip for you today that involves creating fractions. There are a couple ways to do it. For example, the font I'm using is Gotham Bold, and I know that I can access it with glyphs that's included in the font. So I just scroll down to 5/8, double click. The other way you can do it is I was also using a font, an Helvetica Fractions font, so I created a character style for it. Helvetica Fractions, just switch to that. Helvetica Fractions Bold. And so it's included here in a couple different formats. Or alternatively, I can go to the character flyout, OpenType fractions, and it just converts it. So that's a couple ways to create fractions in InDesign. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching.